Lifestyle changes are a must, made for the best success in recovery. When you begin the journey to recovery, you must learn how to change your bad habits into healthier ones to beat addictions in the long run. While we are actively addicted, we develop many habits that fuel our insecurities and low self-worth, that continue our cycles of self-destruction and self-sabotage. These habits worsen our addictions and make us live in pain and fear. Deep down, we feel self-blame rather than self-love. Identifying the bad habits within your active addiction is the first step in changing them for the better. You need to replace old habits with good and healthy ones. Everything associated with using drugs must change, including anyone linked to your substance use. Here are some usual bad habits you often engage in. Instant gratification, justifying your bad habits, not engaging in self-care. Set a goal and follow these steps to break bad habits and form new good positive ones. Engage in self-care. Take small steps to set. Stay away from temptations that help feed your addiction and bad habits. Replace your old habits with new similar ones. Love yourself more and be honest. Get sober support. Both positive and negative habits create powerful neural pathways in your brain. Changing them doesn't happen overnight, but possible to replace negative with positive ones. Start small and build your confidence incrementally. You'll soon find that you've replaced negative responses with healthy habits you can embrace for a lifetime. Want to learn more about how to automate drug habits? You'll soon find out more down to our next course.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.